Welcome to Tech DJ, the one-stop smart technology decision junction. Who is Tech DJ? Tech DJ is your mentor, your educator passionate about making complex tech topics simple, practical, and accessible. What's in it for you? Knowledge that you can leverage. Tech DJ brings you the most exciting 60-day, Get to Know AI, challenge. The 60-day series will design to make AI click for everyone. Each day, we'll drop a 2-minute video breaking down one key AI concept. No fluff, just clear, relatable explanations. So let's start the 60-day, Get to Know AI, challenge from today. The first topic is, what is AI? Can you relate to these examples? Like the calls on your smartphone, smart navigation, smart voice assistant, Netflix or YouTube movie recommendation and so on. Simply put, it's about teaching computers to do things that normally require human to think smart. Think of it like training a super fast, super efficient digital brain. Now imagine if all computers had brain and you gave it a task to learn everything it sees, and train its brain to identify a dog or a cat just like us. So over time, the AI system learns to spot the patterns of different animals based on their physical features and start making smart guesses. Do you still think AI is hiding? AI is not some futuristic robot from a movie. It's already woven into our daily lives. Your phone uses it to recognize your face. Your voice assistant understands your commands. That perfect movie recommendation on Netflix, YouTube? AI's doing the thinking. Even your spam filter, silently protecting your inbox, is powered by AI. So by now, hope you understand why AI is so important. It's extremely useful in health, farming, education, finance, personal assistance and almost everywhere. It helps us in countless ways, making things faster, smarter, and often more personalized. So now that your AI journey has started, look forward to smart and useful techniques to learn all about AI in the 60-day challenge. Stay tuned for the next topic, powered by Tech DJ. Keep watching and subscribe to our channel.